Welcome to week 1 of my one-room challenge. So I'm very excited to be a feature designer again this year, and let me tell you, the spaces that I have in mind, oof, they are in desperate need of a remodel. This year I'll be doing my master en-suites, and that pretty much includes the closet, my master bathroom, and a vanity nook that connects the two. For this challenge, we've been given 8 weeks to get our spaces made over. Let me tell you, I think I'm gonna need every single second of it. Okay, so this week I really wanted to share with you how I make my design decisions. How am I gonna know what pieces, especially when you're ordering online, are all gonna work in that space? So being very visual, here's what helps me to design my spaces virtually. There's 2 things I like to use, and one of them is Pinterest. I create a board that then allows me to pin every product or item or even inspiration photos just to help me make those decisions. It kind of helps you see them all together, at least like as if it was in closer proximity to each other, to see how they interact together. Then as I go, I eliminate whatever doesn't work. Now for a big job like this, my go-to really is Photoshop, but I think any editing software would work. If I'm still having a hard time visualizing, this really allows me to see each product right up against the other. I'll just do screenshots of whatever product I'm considering for the space. And if you really want to get fancy, you can erase the background and then drag that onto one master board. Now I don't tend to think of this as my mood board because I usually create a nicer finished one, but in truth, that's what this is. I'm able to see all the products as if they were in the space together and make a determination about what I like and what I don't. So I'll just toggle the view on or off to be able to see these pieces up against each other and then narrow down the decision of what I think works best. Okay, so now you're wondering, well, what about finishes? It's really hard to tell sometimes online when you're buying products really how they're gonna look when they arrive. So then how do you match finishes? How do you know that the gold that you see on one item is going to be the same as the gold that you see on another item? Or exactly what colors you're going to see and how bold the print is on a wallpaper you choose, or say on some piece of material. I'm not saying that this is a fail-proof method, which is why if I have a very short timeline to accomplish a makeover in, I will order more than one of an item so that I can compare them side by side in the actual space and send back anything I didn't love. Well, wish me luck. This is going to be a one-woman DIY project. I'm doing everything myself. But I will share all my tips as I go along and anything that I learn. So hopefully it'll help you in some of your projects.